Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am here to do an unboxing from One Day Savings. They actually sent me 2 boxes. The one is to help me, has to do with helping me do, I don't know, how do you call it? Be more productive with my diamond painting. So they sent me this big box and it was full of beautiful stuff. Let me just take it all out and show you. This is actually a light, I think they call it a light board, and it came beautifully packed. Very safe and secure. And where did I leave my cord? It came with a cord. Let me just grab my cord here. Where is it? Oh, right here. It came with the cord to plug it in. Very nice and long cord, not a little tiny short one. It came with a really long cord, and it also came with this roller to push down on your diamond paintings to make sure that the little diamonds are in place. So I'll just put that over here. Here's the cord, and here is the actual light box. And then they also sent something super awesome. They sent this stand that holds up your light box. Isn't that cool? So it goes in here like this, I believe. Yes, it goes in there, and then this one goes in here, and this one goes in here, and this one goes in here. So this is an actual stand. So you can put your light box on here, and it stands up. And you can, there's, okay, so let me just put this here so you can move it up further like this, have it standing more upright, or you can push it down and have it laying down further. So there's that. And then they sent these clips to clip on your piece that you're working on. And yeah, it has a really cool on and off switch. I have used this, and it just makes, you know, your artwork or your diamond painting so much easier. And you don't need to just use it for your diamond painting. You can use it for tracing things and for coloring on and all kinds of stuff. It's not just for diamond painting. But I really appreciate that One Day Savings sent me this. And I can't remember exactly what the price is, but I will link it down below and you can check it out. It was a really reasonable price. That's what I remember. And yeah, this they sent me just to help me with my diamond painting, and I just love it. Now I'm going to show you a diamond painting that I've ordered, that they sent me a while ago. And it took me a while to finish. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to do it. But this is the clock. And it came with all the diamonds you see on here. It came with the hands. It came with this part, the clock mechanism. And all I did was I glued the the canvas onto foam board, and then I put foam board around here, and I made a little hanging part with the foam board. Used one of these sawtooth things to hang it up, and then I added some book corners. But this clock, it holds time. It is absolutely amazing. I love it. So thank you so much, One Day Savings. You have been awesome to me. I appreciate you so much. And yeah, go check out their website. I will link everything down below. If I can still find the clock, I will link the clock also. But yeah, go check them out. Talk to you later. Bye.